Well, I finally found it. This is a very handy flashlight, very versatile, lightweight, and autonomous. It has a built-in battery with a Type-C port that you can recharge. You can also replace it with a regular AA battery. That's very convenient. I also use it on my bicycle. It has several modes. When you double press, it becomes very dim and barely lights up. At night, I'll definitely show you how it lights up at the very end of the video. And it also has a second mode, medium, and a third one. On the dimmest setting, it lasts a very long time. You can use it as a lamp in a tent or while camping. It also has a red light and a flashing mode. And you can also set it to flashing red light. But I forgot how to do that. But that's not important. You'll definitely find instructions for all of this in the user manual. Maybe I'll attach a photo where everything is described in detail, including the battery life. I highly recommend it. I use it both on bike trips, regular hikes, and also in the car. Basically everywhere. You can just put it in your pocket. It practically weighs nothing at all. Let's even weigh it. I'll show you now. It's practically nothing. It comes with a battery, just so you know. And let me also show you how I use it on my bike. I love minimalism, so I use this one flashlight for every situation. It's very convenient. I just simply wrap it securely around the sturdy handlebar of the bicycle, making sure it is firmly in place. I secure it right here like this. And here I can adjust it up and down, like this. You can also place it in the center or on the right side on the left, however you like. If you have a bag in front, it's also totally possible to attach it to the bag somehow. I've really grown to love this flashlight. It's so compact, I use it almost everywhere. It's very lightweight, compact, and versatile. Just one for every situation. Of course, it doesn't shine very far, but for me, for example, when traveling, the amount of light it gives is more than enough. And now let me show you how it works at night. We've suddenly switched to night mode. It's not completely dark here, of course. Let's get straight to the point. Let's start with this, the lowest mode. In this mode, it shines for 126 hours. That's more than 5 days, can you imagine? This is the second mode. And this is the third. Makes sense, right? There's a tree 20 or 30 meters away. In this, the brightest mode, it shines for 7 hours with the original battery. So it can shine all night long in the brightest mode. In my opinion, this is a wonderful flashlight. Share this with your friends who go fishing, camping, and so on. Anywhere a flashlight like this might come in handy. See you soon. Until the next video.